Hello and welcome back. In this section, we're going to talk about Docker container networking. We'll cover different types of networks used in Docker world and how to create your own user-defined networks. In the first lecture, we'll give a brief introduction to Docker container networking. Let's start by taking a look at Docker's default network model. Docker uses the networking capabilities of the host machine operating system to provide networking support for the containers running on the host machine. Once the Docker daemon is installed on the host machine, a bridge network interface, Docker 0, is provisioned on the host, which will be used to bridge the traffic from the outside network to the internal containers hosted on the host machine. Each container connects to the bridge network through its container network interface. Containers can connect to each other and connect to the outside world through this bridge network interface. This is how the default Docker network model called bridge network looks like. There are actually 4 different types of Docker networks: closed network, which is also called non-network, bridge network, host network, and overlaid network. We'll deep dive into each of those 4 different networks in the following lectures, so that you can make an educated decision to choose which Docker network model to use when creating Docker containers. Before we finish this lecture, I want to show you how to check the existing Docker networks on your laptop. Just bring up a terminal and type docker network ls. By default, these should be 3 networks created out of the box when Docker is installed on your laptop: the bridge network, the host network, and the non-network. That's it for this lecture. I hope you've enjoyed it.